One heart, let's get together and feel alright.
Wagwan guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Travel Sam TV, and Travel Sam is here with another video. Guys, this time is just a simple little video that I'm doing today, because today there is a celebrity reflection cruise ship in the port of Ocho Rios. And so Travel Sam decided I'm just gonna do a little walk along the boardwalk and, you know, see what I see and show you what I show you, you know what I mean? And so that's what Travel Sam is doing today. So there's no specific purpose for this video than to show you what Ocho Rios look like, or a certain section of Ocho Rios look like on a cruise ship day. No, this is really a beautiful scene, and so it's one of the places that I enjoy walking. And most time when you come to Ocho Rios on a cruise ship day, you will always see visitors walking along this corridor, right? It's basically ties in from the cruise ship pier, and it takes you right in to Ocho Rios. So if a cruise ship passengers don't want to take a taxi to get into the town, normally this is what they will do. They will walk along this boardwalk straight into the town of Ocho Rios and also to the Ocho Rios Bay Beach. And so that's what I'm doing today. I'm just walking around and I'm looking. But guys, you have to stick and stay and watch this video, because guys, I met someone along this trail and she blew us away. And I said us because we have joining us a visitor who was actually there alongside myself, and she was from the cruise ship. And again, I said a celebrity reflection cruise ship. So when you come off the cruise ship, it is easy for you to navigate these areas, and you will see boats there. Guys will be there renting their boats to take you out on a boat tour, glass bottom boat, you name it. And all of these stuff you can have access to. And guys, let me tell you, for those who are planning on doing a cruise to Ocho Rios, it is a safe place to cruise. Don't listen to what the media have to say about our beautiful place, Jamaica. Ocho Rios is a beautiful place to cruise to, and you can walk. And you know why I'm saying this? Because while I was there walking, there was two guests that was walking with a tour guide, and the tour guide have to explain to the passenger that, listen, you're good to go, you're with me, everything is all right. I was like, yo, look how much we have to go through to convince people that we are okay in Jamaica. And you know, when you come and see it for yourself, then you say, oh yeah, we are safe for real. Listen man, come to Jamaica anytime you want and cruise on a flight and stay with us, chill with us, enjoy Jamaica with us, meet the beautiful, colorful people of this beautiful island, and you know, just see it for yourself. Look at the water, guys. Look at that. Look at that. This is nature. The birds. Listen, I know you see birds pitching up and chill out. You know, it's a nice place and nice people. They're both. You're good. No. Just make you highlight it for you, know. Make you point on the tree and look on the people. The people when I watch it can see what I'm doing.
Handmade.
Handmade, you make them, right? And I
have lovely necklaces that I make as well.
Right.
Yes, look at these. These are my handmade.
So when people come off the ship and them see you sitting here, them kind of stop and shop from you. And you know what I'm saying to my viewers and my subscribers is that sometimes you all come off the ship and you go into these stores and you leave the people, them pass them on the road. These are the people that you should support. You know, these are the people them who, when you put the money in their hand, it go directly into the community.
And sometimes you get a better deal.
A better deal, yeah,
because
man.
we make our own stuff.
Yep.
And you know, so you know it's a better deal.
Better deal.
Because I do wholesales. I
Yeah.
make my own stuff and I sell them wholesale sometimes.
Right.
So you get a better deal when you come to Jamaica. You see Lady J1 at the
J1.
promenade at Bay Beach in Ocho Rios.
And you have all the little things that is
I have all the little things. I have shot glass
shot
too.
glass.
Jamaican shot glass.
Come on over, guys. Come on over.
Hello, guys. You come on
get the
over.
souvenir.
It's a
Get the
TV,
souvenir.
Travel TV, Jamaica.
Yeah, man. Take it easy. How was your trip? How was your day out? You good?
Very good.
All right. Take it easy.
Alright, so lovely Jamaican bracelets.
Yeah, man, them look good.
I have
Man.
the One Love bracelets too.
Alright, to make it nice and deal.
And I
What
have-
would be the price for like one of your bracelet? Just say it.
I have from $5.
From
off.
$5.
Right.
Hold on.
From $5.
So guys, if you are gonna pass this lady and go buy a bracelet for $10, see a lady have them for $5.
Bracelet, necklace, anklets, keychains, shot glass. I have lovely keychains too.
Yeah.
Right here. I have the ones which are also bottle openers and nail clipper. And I have the One Love keychains too. So you can stop right by here in Jamaica at Bay Beach Promenade. This is Lady J1.
Big up yourself,
Welcome
lady
to
J.
Jamaica.
Yeah, man. How is it so far though?
Travel Sam
Travel
TV.
Sam TV.
All
How is
right.
it so far though? What no business no going today?
It's very slow.
Very slow. No, but
very
no stop.
slow, but I'm not giving
No,
up.
no give up. No
I'm
give
not
up.
giving
no
up.
give up.
All right.
You got your souvenir ready? You got your souvenir ready?
Right here.
Make sure you grab one from her, alright?
I have the Duns River one here. This is the Duns River Fall here.
Oh, I haven't been out here.
You haven't been to Duns River
I
yet?
went just scuba diving.
Oh, you went scuba diving.
Yeah.
Oh. You're on the Reflection.
And I
no,
have
went
lovely.
No, you came on that ship?
Yeah.
Oh, you
Look
came
at
on the
these. I got
You-
lovely. I got bottle opener, which is also keychain and nail clipper.
Oh, wow.
And it's
everything you
$5.
need.
Only $5 for
All
one.
this
And
stuff.
$5 for a shot glass. I have lovely bracelets right here. I have from $5 and up. So I have lovely Jamaica bracelet. Look at
My
these.
daughter just asked me if I had hacking sand.
What's that? This is what kind of beans?
Coffee beans with board bracelet.
Oh, okay. Earth color.
Yes. And I got these, which is a copper. This
And
one
look
here.
at that.
Yes, yes.
My little grandsons.
So you want something for your grandson? I got these just. I got the one you can adjust like
Oh,
these
that's
here.
nice.
New friends.
Hello guys,
here.
anything for
Yeah, shout out.
for you from Jamaica?
Yeah, man, check it out, check it
Come
out.
and look,
Don't-
anything?
check. Yeah, man. And shout out your name of your page that you're gonna mention.
We're starting Roots to Runways.
Roots to
so
Runway.
it's all the stories that of the people I meet through travel, and also the runways that travel, but also through fashion because I have a hair salon. So it's the roots of hair, the roots of the people, and the runways of fashion, and the runways of travel.
Beautiful.
Yeah,
So I will be checking it out. All right.
Yes.
Thank you again for being in Jamaica.
Feature you.
All right.
All right, yeah.
So all is well. So give me a one line of a song, no, man.
Yep, I have a 20 and then enough for my Here, honey.
Thank you.
Yeah.
All right. One love, one heart. Let's get together and feel alright. One love, one heart. Give thanks and praise to the Lord, and I will feel alright.
Yeah, man.
One love,
Yeah,
Jamaica.
man. Yeah, man.
This is
One Lady
Lady
J.
J.
And you said you're on iTunes. Same One Lady J.
iTunes, you search for the album on iTunes. Overcome CD compilation on iTunes. I am the only female. It's a 14-track album, and 14 different artists. I am the only female on that album. So you check it out, okay?
All right, guys. Make
Right
sure you
now,
go
I'm
with
doing my gospel, right?
gospel.
I'm doing my gospels. God is calling to repentance, oh sinful man. When you think there is peace and safety, there'll be sudden destruction. So will you sit there in your sins and let it be too late? Don't you know that day will be dread and terribly great? Oh, and but for one moment, in the twinkling of an eye, he shall appear like a thief in the night, and just like a bridegroom to receive his bride. And we shall be changed, yes, we shall be changed when he shall appear. We shall be changed. We shall be changed. He said, behold, I come quickly, and my reward is with me, and I will pay every man according as his work shall be. There will be weeping, there'll be wailing, there'll be gnashing of teeth. So quickly, surrender your life to Jesus and let him set you free. Oh, and but for one moment, in the twinkling of an eye, he shall appear like a thief in the night, and just like a bridegroom to receive his bride. And we shall be changed, yes, we shall be changed. We shall be changed.
Wow. Wow.
That's my
Wow.
original, okay?
Wow. Wow. Trust me,
Yes, that's
I am happy that I stopped,
That's one
right?
of my
I'm happy that I
original,
stopped,
okay?
and I'm happy that I spoke to you. And I just wish you all the best in your business, and hope you get a lot of sales when these ships come in and people just come to you. So remember, guys, check out Lady J. When you come off the ship, you'll see her here. Just remember her, and she just check her out and just support her.
And Lady J,
Yeah.
Lady J1 is actually Lady J1, which is J with a space,
Yeah.
WON, which means Jesus has won.
Yeah, man.
Okay.
All right, all right, all right. So my friend, she's going back to the ship, and I just want to say great meeting you, and I will be checking out your thing. All right, Travel Sam TV. Enjoy your cruise. All right.
Thank you.
Yeah, man. Welcome to Jamaica again. One Lady J. It was a pleasure meeting you here. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Cool. So yeah, guys. Walking in Ocho Rios on a cruise ship there is really something else, and it was great to meet one Lady J, and trust me, she did her thing. It was a great song. Yeah, man. So one Lady J did her thing, and it just continued to highlight Jamaica brand Jamaica. It's what it's all about, just celebrating brand Jamaica. And so I was actually passing and decided that I'm going to stop. When I stopped, it was really a great experience for me. You know, that stop was worth it. Yeah, man, that stop was worth everything. So I am now trying to get back to business. If you love one Lady J, and it's not ONE1, it's WON, Jesus one. Yeah, man, Lady J said that. Please like this video and also go and check her out. You heard her. She gave her description, she gave her platform that she's on in this video. Listen, guys, it was just a blessing for me to stop by her and talk with her. And you know what I was happy about? I was able to call over a visitor that was walking, and she actually patronized her by buying some stuff from her. That was such a blessing. She was happy, she was grateful, and she was thankful. Yeah, man, it was a vibe. You heard her. If you believe that she can sing well, please sound off in the comment, and please hit the like button again. Also, guys, if you're on my channel and it's the first time you stumble upon this channel, please subscribe. All right, please subscribe, and also hit the like button. And I said it earlier, talk to me in the comment. So yes, Team Travel, I'm now leaving the area where most of the tourists would have been from the cruise ship, and I'm driving to the more localized area of Ocho Rios. It is always known that most major towns are highlighted by a clock tower. So when you're in the center of the town, there's a clock tower. So look, we're going to be passing the clock tower right now. So yeah, so we just passed the clock tower, which represents the center of the town. Hey guys, look here one little bit. Like, are you still watching the video right here? Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much, and hit the like button and the notification bell, and make sure you comment. Hustle and bustle of Ocho Rios, guys. That's what's happening. The hustle and bustle of Ocho Rios. So yes, team travel, as I mentioned earlier, that this video was just a little walk through and a little drive through of Ocho Rios and a cruise ship day. Didn't go into the densely populated area where the cruise ship passengers were, but nevertheless, I got a great experience and I share that experience also with you. Hope you like it. Hope you enjoyed it. Now guys, please remember again, subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. This was just a little snippet of walking through, driving through, and just talking to some people in Ocho Rios. And listening to some big singers in Ocho Rios. Guys, I've met the singer. You met her. Was she good? If she's any good, say it in the comment. Please go and support her. Also, guys, remember that as we travel through this life, remember, life is a journey. It's how we travel. Travel good. Travel safe. Travel with Sam. But most importantly, travel with the Almighty. Travel Sam is out. Catch you on the next one.